Hi, my name's Travis. I'm with the Boys and Girls Clubs of Weld County, and I'm super excited to announce our second annual Dancing with the Weld County Stars, brought to you by Ames Community College. This year, the live event will be on July 21st at the Candlelight Dinner Playhouse. We have a fantastic lineup of stars this year. Let's hear from them.
I am Cassandra Miller. I'm representing the Art and Marty Barker Clubhouse.
Hi, my name is George Gray from Pirate Radio, and of course a lot of people know me as the Elvis guy. I'm here representing the Paul Club.
Hey everyone, I'm Julius Luciano. I own Riverside Insurance, and my cohort in dancing for the Dancing with the Stars event is going to be Jake Podorf. He works for New York Life.
Hey everybody, this is Melissa Rickman. Holy Stromboli is representing the Fort Lupton Boys and Girls Club.
Hi, my name is Christopher Wagner, President and CEO of Pride Roofing and Construction. I'm representing the Montfort Clubhouse in Greeley, Colorado.
Hi, I'm Nick Kenny, Executive Director of the Greeley Philharmonic Orchestra and the host of Nick Snacks on 1310 KFKA, Northern Colorado's Voice. And I am here representing the Teen Center, or the TC as we call it on the streets.
So here at the Boys and Girls Clubs, we serve kids ages 6 to 18 years old, and we want to make sure they are well-rounded when they leave us. So we want to make sure they have academic success, that they model good character, and they have citizenship, and they're actually leading a healthy lifestyle. And we do all of this for $10 for the school year and $20 for the summer. That is it. Which is why we are doing this event, Dancing with the Weld County Stars, and we are raising money for our kids across Weld County, 7 locations.
I hear the competition are really worried about this competition because it really isn't a competition.
George Gray, you better dust off your blue suede shoes, buddy, because I got your number and I got the pizza shoes.
If you want to throw some money to the others, that's fine, just to make them feel like they've contributed something.
I don't know who the other teams are, but it doesn't really matter who the other teams are.
All right, other teams, watch out because I am going to bring it. I am super passionate about this cause.
We know which club is the best, and that's the Teen Center, the TC, represented by Nick Kenny here.
It's really a bunch of people are going to dance as an opening act for myself and McKenna.
Me and Sophia, we're gonna shine bright like the stars.
I'm a quick learner. I have a great memory, and I am a perfectionist. I'm not going to stop till I get it right. So be on your toes.
Listen here, brother, for all the other teams that are competing against us in the Dancing with the Stars competition at the Candlelight Dinner Playhouse in Johnstown, Colorado on July 21st, you guys are going down, and that's the bottom line, because Jake and Julius said so.
So I'm super excited for our stars this year, representing all of our clubs across Weld County. They're putting on their brave hats to get on stage to entertain you. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be really exciting. I promise you will be entertained. So make sure you go to the page, vote now, vote often, and don't forget, July 21st, Candlelight Dinner Playhouse. You can actually see them in person, and you might cry, you might laugh, but either way, it's gonna be great.